Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Airbus hints at next A350 jet coming in 2025. Airbus's A350 family has been a cornerstone of modern widebody aviation since its entry into service in 2015, revolutionizing long-haul travel with its composite heavy design, efficiency, and passenger comfort. As of July 2025, over 669 A350s have been delivered to 62 customers, with 1,428 firm orders, making it Airbus's best-selling widebody. Turkish Airlines leads with 110 orders, while Singapore Airlines operates the largest fleet at 65 aircraft. However, amid supply chain challenges and market demands, Airbus is hinting at significant evolutions for the program in 2025, including flight testing for new variants and potential launches of enhanced models. These developments aim to counter Boeing's 777X and address growing needs in ultra-long-haul passenger and cargo sectors. One A350-1000 ULR flight trials slated for 2026. Airbus plans to begin flight tests in 2026 for the A350-1000 ultra-long-range ULR variant, designed with extra fuel tanks to enable non-stop flights exceeding 20 hours, such as Qantas's Project Sunrise, from Sydney to London or New York. This evolution of the A350-1000, which seats 350,410 passengers, targets airlines seeking to connect remote hubs without stops, potentially entering service by 2027. Two A350 freighter assembly underway in Toulouse. In August 2025, Airbus started assembling the first A350 freighter, A350F, at its Toulouse final assembly line, with forward and central fuselage sections arriving from suppliers. Wings are completing at Broughton, UK, signaling progress toward 2026 flight tests. The A350F, based on the A350-1000, promises a 111-ton payload and 4,700 nautical mile range, positioning it as a greener alternative to the Boeing 777F. 3. Entry into service delay to late 2027. Despite hints of acceleration, Airbus confirmed in February 2025 that the A350F's commercial debut is delayed to the second half of 2027 due to supply chain bottlenecks, particularly at Spirit Aerosystems for fuselage sections. CEO Guillaume Faury noted extra development work exacerbates issues, but strong demand, with 60 orders, drives optimism for a 2025 testing ramp-up. 4. Launch customer shifts for A350F. Originally, Air Lease Corporation was the launch customer with 7 orders in 2021, but it cancelled in August 2025. Singapore Airlines planned for 7 units in 2026, yet CMA-CGM Air Cargo now claims launch operator status. This fluidity underscores Airbus's hints at flexible production to secure commitments amid e-commerce-driven cargo growth. 5. Prospective A350-2000 stretch variant. Mid-2025 reports suggest Airbus is evaluating an A350-2000, a stretched A350-1000 with fuselage plugs adding approximately 40 seats for 400-plus passengers, plus wing tweaks and a Type C exit for safety. CEO Faury's comments to Aviation Week in June 2025 hint at this as a counter to Boeing's 777-9, potentially launching post-Paris Air Show 2025 to replace aging quad jets like the A380. 6 engine upgrades with Trent XWB-84EP. In April 2025, The European Aviation Safety Agency, EASA, certified Rolls-Royce's enhanced Trent XWB-84 EP engine for the A350-900, offering 1% lower fuel burn via optimized systems. Delta Airlines received the first such aircraft in June 2025, with Airbus optimistic for FAA approval soon. This hints at broader A350 refreshes in 2025 to boost efficiency and appeal to U.S. carriers. 7 production ramp-up targets. Airbus aims to increase A350 output from 6 per month in 2024 to 8 in 2025 and 9 by year-end, en route to 10 monthly by 2026. Despite pandemic slowdowns, 57 A350s were delivered in 2024, with 2025 focusing on backlog clearance, 702 orders pending. Faury emphasized capex investments in suppliers like Spirit to support this, hinting at sustained momentum for new variants. 8 Market competition and strategic positioning. The A350 evolutions are timed to challenge Boeing's delayed 777X, which competes directly with the A350-1000. Airbus's 2025 hints include leveraging the A350's 25% fuel savings over predecessors and 99.5% reliability. With Boeing's widebody woes, Airbus eyes market share gains, especially as 281 net A350 orders came in 2023 alone. 9 Sustainability and cabin innovations. New variants emphasize eco-friendliness, with the A350F's 20% lower emissions than the 777F via advanced composites, 70% of airframe, and Trent XWB engines. Passenger models like the ULR will feature airspace cabins with enhanced lighting and space. Airbus hints at 2025 integrations of connectivity upgrades, aligning with net zero goals and attracting carriers like Emirates, whose A350-900 deliveries slip to January 2025. 10 Broader program evolution and future hints. Beyond 2025, Airbus is studying an A350neo with re-engined options from Rolls-Royce's Ultrafan, targeting 2025 entry, or GE's GEnx upgrades, potentially for mid-2020s service. Faury's 2025 statements signal no overcomplication of the lineup yet, but internal feasibility studies for the A350-2000 and freighter ramp up to 20 monthly units hint at aggressive expansion. With 766 total deliveries in 2024, up 6% revenue to €69.2 billion, Airbus positions the A350 as its widebody flagship through 2030. These developments reflect Airbus's strategic pivot toward versatile, efficient widebodies amid global recovery. While 2025 won't see full launches, testing milestones and hints at stretches like the A350-2000 signal a dynamic future. Challenges like tariffs and supplier issues persist, but the A350's proven track record, over 70 million Trent engine hours, bolsters confidence. As aviation rebounds, these evolutions could redefine long-haul and cargo markets. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.